Thank you for watching Playground Safety.
Example, don't climb on the playgrounds. Watch how she's climbing up. Soon she will fall and get hurt. That's why we don't climb on the playground.
Also, you shouldn't climb on the monkey bars. Gotta just do it and then fall off. See, as you can see, she got hurt.
Next rule is don't go down the slide at the same time. See, that's why we don't do it, because we can get hurt.
You shouldn't be playing tag on the playground. See, we were playing tag and she got pushed over.
Hi, we're with Miss D and we're going to ask her some questions about playground safety. Miss D, do you think that it's unacceptable to climb on the playground?
Yes, Miss Greta, I do think that it's unacceptable to climb on our playground equipment. It's not safe. I don't want you guys to get hurt. I don't want anybody to get sent up to Miss Vanessa.
Hi, we're back with Miss D, and we have another question for her. Miss D, do you think we should be allowed to climb on top of the monkey bars?
No, Miss Lucy, I do not think it's safe for you guys to climb on the monkey bars. I do not want anyone to get injured.
We're back with Miss D, and we're gonna ask her two more questions. Miss D, is it unacceptable for us to be playing tag on the playground?
Yes, Miss Greta, I think it's very unsafe for you guys to play tag on the play structure. The play structure has so many complex things going on, and I don't want anyone to trip and fall, hit their head, or injure any bodily parts on their body.
Okay, thank you, Miss D.
Hi, do you think we have one more question for you. Do you think it's acceptable to be eating on the playground?
Lucy, I do not think it is okay for students to be eating on the playground. We want to keep our school beautiful, and in order to do that, we have to eat or snack in a designated area.
Thank you, Miss D. That's all we have for you.